Hello students, I hope you all are safe and fine at your home. So today we will discuss about properties of matter. You all know that matter is that which occupy space and have some weight. Matter exists in three different states, which is solid, liquid and gas. All matter is made up of very tiny particles called molecules. Molecules are so small that they cannot be seen with the naked eyes. State of matter is determined by the way molecules are arranged in the substance. Molecules in solid are tightly packed, giving them a definite shape and a fixed volume. In liquids, the molecules are loosely packed such that they do not have a definite shape but do have a fixed volume. This is the property so that the liquid can flow and take the shape of the container. In gases, the molecules are very loosely arranged. Gases have neither a definite shape nor a fixed volume. Gases occupy all the available space. Properties of matter. The things around us are made up of different kinds of matter or materials having specific properties. Some solids are heavy like the weights and some solids are light like wool. Some solids are hard like stone, some solids are soft like cotton balls. Some solids are rough to see and some solids are very smooth like satin cloth and rough like tree trunk. Some solids are breakable like glass, some solids are unbreakable like coin. Liquids. Liquids can be colored like orange juice and colorless like water. Some more properties of matter. Solid exists in transparent, translucent or opaque materials. Materials that allow light to pass through them are called transparent material. We can see through transparent materials clearly, for examples, plain glass and clear water. Wooden planks, walls, book, concrete pillar are some examples of opaque materials. So the materials that do not allow any light to pass through them are called opaque materials as we cannot see through them. Materials that allow only some of the light to pass through are called translucent materials. For examples, tracing paper, marble, fabric. These materials are partially transparent. Some more examples are butter paper, colored tinted glasses. Matter can conduct heat and electricity also. Cooking utensils are made of metal and are fitted with plastic or wooden handles as heat cannot pass through them easily. Metal conduct or pass on heat faster and thus the utensils heat up quickly. Copper, iron, silver, aluminum are good conductors of heat and electricity as heat can pass through them easily. Materials that take a longer time to heat up are called bad conductors of heat and electricity. Wood, plastic are bad conductors of heat and electricity. The plastic or wooden handles fitted on the metallic utensils help in lifting it easily when hot. Glass, rubber, plastic, china clay are bad conductor of heat and electricity. Inflammable or non-flame inflammable materials. Camphor, wood, paper are some solid inflammable materials. Petrol, diesel, kerosene are liquid inflammable materials. CNG in cylinders are gaseous inflammable materials. Non-inflammable materials are metals, glass, and many man-made materials, as these materials do not burn easily. Non-inflammable materials are also water, mud, and sand, and these materials are commonly used to put out fires. Thank you. That's it for today.